Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a clipping on penguin. It's pretty easy. First you draw a circle. And then you draw a circle that's a little bit bigger and you want it like this far away from it. Or like that far. That far. Well, that was an awkward shaped circle. Not the right shape. That's more like an oval. Okay. So, and just so you know, I'm not tracing anything like that. Have this memorized and everything. I just tried earlier in the video and I kind of messed up, so I deleted it, and that's just a little mess up. I just did. A bit bigger. See? I'm sorry, I have to be from the side. It's just where my iPad fits. They look about the same size to me. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna draw it bigger. I'm gonna restart on a different sheet of paper. That's no problem with y'all. Okay, actually draw it pretty big. Okay, first you're gonna start off with a circle. Okay. And you're doing one that's slightly bigger. Or really big. Depends on how big you want it. And so this is how big. I mean, it doesn't have to be slightly bigger. Say like 3 times this bigger. Who cares? And then, and then you're gonna like connect them like that. Okay. And then you're going to draw a line straight down the middle, like that. Okay. And then I'm going to draw a line right across the face.